Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my Lego Santa MOC I have made. He looks very gleefully happy. As you can see, his little white beard and his little mouth. This is what he looks like on the back. Yeah, his eyes are a little sticking out, but his back looks similar to the front. Actually, pretty much the same. Just a few things, like the beard is not on there, the eyes are not proper, this was changed color, but other than that, these two are the same. And then the hat, you can see that I used basic Lego pieces for this, which are like slopes, just regular bricks, flat pieces. And then I used some snot holes with some eyes, put the eyes on. And then some white pieces for the beard, because Santa has a lovely beard. And then these pieces on the side are like smooth pieces. And then the arms are just regular pieces, including this part of the body. This part of the body is entirely made of 2x4s, all the way to here. Then the legs are just made out of it's like 2x2s, and then the shoes are just basic slopes and brick. So that kind of wraps up Santa. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time.